We will about the today meeting. Very good evening, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. First of all, on your videos, sit properly, take out the textbook and running notes. Okay, in last classes we discussed about percentages. Okay, how can we find out percentage form and percentage form to decimal form, decimal to fraction, fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction form. These topics are we discussed in previous classes. Okay, that's unit. You understand, I think. Okay, students. Now I am going to new topic, new chapter. I will introduce to you. What is that? Profit and loss. Okay, 9th unit, profit and loss. Okay, students. We are listening these words, profit and loss. When we are listening these words, some are elders talking. We are getting today profit or loss, buying things. In that one, we get profit or loss. They are discussing. In some way, we are listening. Okay. Okay. For example, if you want to buy pens, books, pencils, erasers, these are if you want to buy. From where to we are going to buy? Bookshops. Okay, bookstores, stationery shop. We are going to stationery shop and we are buying these things. Okay, for example, your mothers are want to buy vegetables. Where they are getting from vegetables? From vegetable shop. Okay, and fruits from fruits shop. They are getting. They are buying. Okay. Okay. Once you think, children, if we want buy the things, we are going to the shop and we are buying the things. But the shopkeepers means vendors, vendors, vegetable vendors or shopkeepers, they are bringing from some other places. Yes, is it correct or not? These members also getting from another place. Where they are buying from another place. What the place? Wholesale shops. From wholesale shops, they are bringing and they are selling for me. Okay, means they are buying first. They are buying. They are buying from another shop, another wholesale shop. That is the cost price. Okay, that is the cost price. Next, they are buying from another shop and they are brought after. Next, selling to me. Yes, those things they are selling to me. Okay, for us. To me means to us. That is selling price. Okay, selling price. Did you understand what is cost price? Here, what is selling price? They get them from a wholesale dealer. The money paid by the shopkeepers to the wholesale dealer to buy the goods is called cost price. What is cost price? The money paid by the shopkeepers to the wholesale shopkeepers. That is called cost price. After that, they are selling to us. Okay, that is selling price. Here using selling price and cost price. Now cost price. For example, cost price greater than selling price. Yes, see one cost price. What is cost price? The money paid by the Write down children. The money paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesale dealer. That is cost price. Wholesale dealer to buy the goods. To buy the goods, that is cost price. Next, what is selling price? The money the shopkeeper or the grocer gets by the selling the goods to the customer. Okay, that goods are things are anything they are selling to customers. That is called selling price. The money the shopkeeper or the grocer get by selling the goods. Selling goods. To the customer. Customer is called, that is selling price. Selling price. Your video is not coming. My video is coming. Children, once you log out and log in. Okay. Here, first of all, listen, children. Cost price. What is cost price? What is cost price? For example, if you want to buy things, we are going to the shops. Okay, you are buying the things, but the shopkeeper from where they are bringing, where they are buying from wholesale dealer. Okay, that is the money paid by the shopkeepers to the wholesale dealer to buy the things. That is called cost price. Next, after the shopkeepers are grocers gets by the selling goods to the customer, to ours. When they are brought after, they are selling for ours. That is selling price. Here, selling price is those members are selling to customers. That is called selling price. Next, they are buying from wholesale dealer. That is cost price. Okay, what is the cost price and what is the selling price? Did you understand first? Now, selling price greater than cost price. Selling price greater than cost price. See once here. Selling price greater than cost price equals, that is gain or profit. Gain or profit. Profit. What is the selling price greater than cost price? Next, cost price greater than selling price. That is loss. These are, I will explain with examples also. Okay? With example problems also, I will explain these one. First, you have to listen first of all. Selling price is greater than cost price equal profit. What is profit? When selling price greater than cost price is there, that is profit. Next, what is loss? Cost price greater than selling price is there. That is called loss. Okay, profit or gain also. We can use gain word also. Okay, write down first this one. Or take screenshot in your mobile. Next now, cost price. Cost price in short form we can say CP. Okay, cost price we can say in short form is CP, and selling price is we can say in short form is SP. CP greater than SP, loss. Next, SP greater than CP, that is profit. Next, what is the profit formula? What is loss formula? Okay, for example, with one problem I will explain. Okay, listen children, here. Did you complete this one? Writing purpose. Did you take one screenshot? Shall I erase? For example, you buy the one pen. Okay, for example, if you buy the one pen, the pen cost is 10 rupees. Okay, pen cost 10 rupees. Here cost, pen cost is 10 rupees. So cost price, yes, CP equal to 10 rupees. Is it correct or not? Cost price is 10 rupees. Cost price of pen 10 rupees. Now next, after the buy, you don't need that pen. Okay, you don't need that pen. What do you do? Just simply have to do giving to others, means selling to others, your friends. Your friends, that one, okay, take and sold to another one. How much cost then? That is the selling price is 8 rupees. Okay, after the some days you sold to another one. Then cost, then selling price. What is this selling price? How much selling price? That is 8 rupees. SP 8 rupees. First cost price is 10 rupees. Next selling price is 8 rupees. Yes. Now then you get loss or profit. Buying purpose, you money given 10 rupees. But selling purpose, you got money 8 rupees only. Your cost price is 10 rupees. Selling price is 8 rupees. Did you understand, children? Okay. Then you get what? Loss or profit? Yes. You get here loss only. How much money loss? Say 2 rupees. Very good. Shivasai. Yes. We get 2 rupees loss here. Here see once loss is CP greater than SP. Yes. Yes, CP 10 rupees and SP 8 rupees. 10 rupees greater than 8 rupees. CP greater than 8 SP. Okay. Then here CP cost price greater than selling price is there. That is loss. Okay. Next, one more problem here. I will explain one more. Okay, listen to me. Next, for example, one notebook cost. Okay, one notebook cost CP, that is 50 rupees. And sold to another one 75 rupees. Okay, we sold to another one 75 rupees. SP equals 75 rupees. Then here you get Profit or loss? 50 rupees cost price and selling price is 75 rupees. Then you get profit or loss. Loss only. Preetham and this one. You are not listening. Here one more I am saying. Here book cost is 50 rupees. You sold price is 75 rupees. Then you are getting, yes, profit. How much profit you are getting? How much profit? 25 rupees. Very good. Profit, that is 25 rupees. Your loss, that is 2 rupees. Okay. Here see one still done here. SP greater than CP. That is profit. Next here, CP greater than SP. That is loss. Okay. Now here, what is the loss formula? What is the profit formula? Some formulas are there. That one first you have to learn perfectly. Now I am giving those formulas are about profit and loss and cost price and selling price when given profit or loss. Okay, profit or loss given, how can we find out cost price and how can we find out selling price, loss or profit given, and next how can we find out loss and how can we find out profit. Okay, loss and profit we can say easily. How can we say SP greater than CP is there, that is profit. Okay, we can say. Next loss CP greater than SP is there, we can say loss. Okay, very easily that one. That is loss equals. Okay, did you understand these two problems first of all? If you have any doubt in this one. Example, just introduction. No, no doubt. Okay, very good. Okay. Next here, profit. Profit equals SP minus CP. SP means selling price, a sold price, selling price minus cost price. Okay, before in explanation part, we already observed here. Okay, SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. From selling price, we have to subtract cost price, we get profit. Next, loss. CP minus SP. Cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Next here, profit. Finding profit. Profit already completed. Next is selling price. SP equals P plus CP. P plus CP. P means profit. Okay, I'm writing full form, children. Don't confuse. Profit plus cost price. Okay, profit plus cost price. When given problem, profit and cost price is there, how can we find out selling price? This is the first selling price formula, that is profit plus cost price. Next, cost price equals selling price minus profit. Selling price minus profit. These one and these one. And next to this one. Very important formulas. Okay? You learn very carefully. Next, cost price equals. They are giving, when giving loss. Loss plus selling price. Loss plus selling price. Next, selling price. Selling price equals cost price minus loss. Cost price minus loss. Okay, first CP. CP means cost price. Next SP means selling price. Okay. CP greater than means cost price greater than selling price is there. That is loss. Next selling price greater than cost price is there. That is called profit. Next profit. How can we find out profit? Finding profit and loss. What formulas we are using here? Profit equals SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price. Next loss equals cost price minus selling price. Next in that one profit and selling price given or profit and cost price given. Then we can find out how can we find out selling price or cost price. Next selling price equals profit plus cost price. Next cost price equals selling price minus profit. Okay. Next loss and selling price given, we can find out cost price. That's the formula is loss plus selling price. Next when we find out selling price, in given one cost price and loss is there, then what is the formula? CP minus loss. Cost price minus loss. In before one also I will explain once again. Yeah, pen cost. The pen cost 10 rupees. Next selling price cost 8 rupees. Yes, we get here loss. Already you studied here. Loss. Loss equals CP minus SP. CP 10 rupees minus 8 rupees. You get 2 rupees. Is it clear here? Okay. Same this one. Here only last given last 2 rupees and selling price is 8 rupees. What is the cost price? Your loss given 2 rupees and selling price also given 8 rupees. What is the cost price? CP. How can we find out? See once CP equal to loss plus SP. Loss is 2 rupees plus SP is 8 rupees. What is the cost price? 10 rupees. Did you get answer or not here? With formulas. Here I am using formula. Okay, cost price equal loss plus SP. Last 2 rupees. Next SP is 8 rupees. 2 plus 8, 10 rupees. For example here, loss. Okay, loss given 2 rupees. Next selling price not giving. Cost price giving here. What is cost price? 10 rupees. Now we have to find out SP. What we do here? Which formula we are using here? SP equals CP minus loss. Cost price minus loss. Then 10 minus 2. What is the selling price? 8. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? What is loss? What is profit? What is cost price? What is selling price? And given loss and profit also, how can we find out cost price and selling price? And given problem cost price and selling price given, how can we find out loss and profit also? Okay, these formulas right first. Very important, these formulas. On these formulas only based on here problem started in your textbook. Exercise 9.1, 9.2, all profit giving and cost price giving. Find out the selling price, and profit giving and selling price giving. Find out the cost price, or cost price giving, find out the selling price. Same as it is. Loss giving, cost price giving. Find out the selling price. and loss and selling price giving, find out the cost price. And cost price and selling price giving, and we have to find out the profit or loss. Okay, these problems only have next that exercise 9.1, 9.2. Okay, in tomorrow class I will explain that one. First you have to learn these formulas. Especially I am saying children, this is very important. Without these one we cannot do next exercises. So you learn perfectly these one. What is profit, what is loss, and what is selling price, what is cost price. Next, what is cost price, what is selling price. In loss and gain, or gain means profit. Okay, these one you have to learn perfectly. Okay, first what I explained, did you understand? In today's class, what I am explained only what is cost price, what is selling price, what is loss, what is profit, and what formulas using for these one. Okay, I explained only these topics only, children. I hope you understand today's topic. And once you read, children, here page number 81, profit and loss is there na? In that unit, once explanation part you have to read and by head these formulas. Okay, okay students, I hope you understand this class, and I am going to conclude this class. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children, in today's topic. Okay, today or tomorrow I will send fair notes also. I think up to 7th unit I sent fair notes, and 8th unit also I will send, children. You complete and send me. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. And take screenshot this one. If you not completed, take screenshot. Otherwise, complete. Already time is completed. That's why take screenshot. Okay.